Painting pictures with words. Understanding similes in English. Hello there, language explorers. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting aspect of English language: figurative language. Specifically, we'll be looking at similes, a type of figurative language that can make our speech and writing more vivid and engaging. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on this enlightening journey. A simile is a figure of speech that directly compares two different things. It uses the words like or as to make this comparison. For example, consider the sentence, "She is as brave as a lion." Here, the courage of a person is compared to the bravery of a lion, using the word as. This can help the reader or listener visualize the person's bravery in a more vivid, tangible way. So, how can you use similes in English? Let's break it down. 1. Identify the two things you want to compare. For example, let's say we want to compare someone's speed to a cheetah. 2. Choose the appropriate comparative word, either like or as. In general, use like when comparing nouns and as when comparing actions or states of being. 3. Form the simile. For example, he runs like a cheetah. Remember, similes are about painting a picture in the mind of the listener or reader. They can add color, emotion, and imagination to our language. Reading comprehension is a crucial part of language learning. When you're reading, you can look out for similes to understand the text more deeply. Similes often provide key insights into a character, a setting, or a situation. Here's a tip. Whenever you see the words like or as used in a comparison, ask yourself if it's a simile. That's it for today's lesson, my dear language explorers. I hope you've enjoyed our dive into the wonderful world of similes. Remember, using similes can make your English sound more creative and engaging, so don't be afraid to experiment with them in your own writing or speech. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the beauty of English language.